What's happening?
Good, how are you? We're here at the Golden Empire Model Train Show. This is really cool. It's an old wigwag. That is so cool. It's a nice set. Western Pacific. That's cool. Wow, this is really cool.
Where are you at?
Oh, nice. Amtrak Heritage Unit. That's really cool. Nice. It's all really cool stuff here. So this is a nice setup you guys got here. Yeah, is this an N-scale or HO? HO, okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah, it looks smaller when you come out in a big room like this.
Yeah. This is really cool.
This layout's never the same.
Yeah.
Every time we set it up.
Uh-huh.
He just was acting like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it looks like that.
So that's really cool. NS 911 honoring first responders. Yeah. But man, I said, you know, it's so cool what they can do with these though, with model railroads. I mean, all the signals and all that. I mean, I think I even heard some on YouTube that had scanners and stuff, a conversation and stuff.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Yeah. Wow, that's so cool. So this is a N-scale here. Oh. That's really cool. And my video is not doing too good today for some reason. So my apology if it's a little grainy, but trying my best. Katy, the Katy locomotive. That's cool. Yeah. Katy. That's cool. Santa Fe. Old passenger train. A long one. That's pretty neat.
Time you want us to come back and pick you up? About 9 or 10. Sounds good. You know, it's not so bad. I mean, you can listen. The problem is you have to ask Deborah.
Little train show. They got all kinds of stuff here. All kinds of merchandise for sale and train sets everywhere, and they got models set up, and it's just really cool. So if you get a chance, come on out here. They'll be here tomorrow too, so this is really neat. So
Meltdown Empire.
Oh wait, it already tried to read about
Sand.
whoa, this is really cool. Wow, this is cool. We got a cool display here. This is the Southern Nevada End Trackers club here. This is their display. It's really cool. They're all really cool displays here. Actually, wow. I don't know why my video is coming out kind of grainy today, but I'm on 4K, so I'm not sure what the deal is, but oh well. I don't know what kind of car that is. That's a really cool though.
this is an articulated. Let's go.
This is really cool. A little in-scale model here that people can operate themselves, it looks like here. So I'm going to try to give it a go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Inside layout, come to the outside line, so it has to wait.
Rio Grande. The Rio Grande. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oops. Little 2-car BNSF train there. That's cool. Thomas, the tank engine. Wow. That's cool. And we got a meetup gonna happen right here. Oops. I don't know why my thing is not focusing good. Sorry about that. My phone just doesn't want to focus. Oh, 3-train meetup here. Oh, cool. Nice. These are nice trains here.
Maybe put more weight in it. Yeah, that's
Wow, this is really cool. Really, really cool. Wow. Amtrak with 3 intermodal containers on the end. That's pretty neat. Okay. Huh.
6 baggage cars. Wow. That's 20 cars. Dominant.
Cool. This is neat. Man. Whoa, that's cool.